Hey guys, welcome back to another great episode of Sell This Flipping Cars. I'm Zachary, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you where the crankshaft position sensor is on your 2006 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 3.7 liter V6. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, now wasn't that easy? I mean, it's right at the back of the engine. But if you take it to a repair shop, I bet you money they're going to charge you like $250 just to do that thing. Come on. It's one 10 millimeter bolt, right? We can easily replace it ourselves. And that's going to cure your engine code that you're getting for your crankshaft position sensor circuit not working correctly. So hopefully this video helped you guys out in repairing your vehicle and getting your Jeep back on the road. That way, hey, you can continue on with life. But hey, if you want to know what episodes are coming up, I got a great one for you right here, okay? Cylinder head, another one. Had to replace it, but I got the brand new one right here. It's beautiful. I'll even share the link where I found it because I got this thing within like 5 days. So really nice. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. Unfortunately, hey, the machine shop, you know, they said it was good, but unfortunately it wasn't. Stuff happens. Man, you know, to me, it's not that big of a deal. Okay, to me, it's not that big of a deal because I work on cars every single day. But let's say you don't work on cars every single day, or you don't work on cars at all. Okay, this repair can actually cost thousands of dollars. Okay, thousands of dollars. Just the part alone is $700. That's crazy. But I actually found a new program that can actually help a lot of people out there out with the cost of the repairs if you are choosing not to do it yourself. And that's called Protect My Car. It is an extensive, okay, and it's expansive insurance that you can get on your vehicle to actually help you with repairs. And instead of paying 100% of the price of that repair, you only pay 25% of the price, which is amazing, especially if that repair is anything like the cylinder head replacement that can cost upwards to $300 to $3,500. Okay, that is a lot, and a lot of labor goes into these things. Think about it, guys. Okay, I'm getting really quick on these Jeep Grand Cherokee engines, but it still takes me 6 hours, okay? 6 hours to get in where I need to be and 6 hours to get out, torque everything, get the engine running back the way it needs to be. That's 12 hours, okay? Now, if you go to a regular repair shop, that's $150 an hour. Okay, you're looking at upwards of $1,750, $1,750 just for labor, and that's $150 an hour, guys. Let's not talk about any shops that charge above that. Okay, so definitely, hey, I'm gonna throw up the phone number right below. You guys check out Protect My Car. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not. Whatever. Call them, see if you can save some money on your repairs because, hey, not everyone does the repairs. A head gasket replacement, a head replacement. Not everyone does that. But this program can help you guys out. So thank you so much, guys. Hope it actually helps you in your repair and we can actually get back to another cylinder head replacement. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you to all of my new subscribers and members on the channel. And until next time, hey, keep on wrenching, guys. Take care.